What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video. On Solana, wanted to do an update. An update is obviously needed. We unfortunately lost the bullish momentum. I mean, in general, and I said this as well in my Bitcoin video, I tried to prepare you for this, but I did say yesterday that I expected the bullish momentum to continue. All right, because what we had is we had a short-term bullish structure right here. And when you have a structure like this, it's always most likely that it will continue. And that has also been the case basically since it started on Saturday. But the thing that we talked about as well, and hopefully that came through a little bit all right, is that even though the technical structure was bullish, Solana was not 100% bullish yet. And that mainly had to do with the volume, right? If a crypto is really bullish, you have a bullish market structure with volume, all right? So that a lot of people are buying it. And the volume right now has increased. And for Solana, the volume was already a little bit higher as well. But compared to last week, and we're still about $1 billion lower at this moment after getting the sell-off than we were last week. So there was no volume. And that means that that even though technically that was an uptrend, we were not super bullish yet. And the main level, which we also talked about yesterday to break, was 160. So far, I mean, if you look at the market structure right now, it's actually a little bit of a difficult situation, because if you zoom in, so again on the short-term time frame, we have had some bullish confirmations, right? I mean, by breaking above this level here at 144 and 146. That was a strong resistance level. We also respected that and we broke above that. So that's a bullish confirmation, and that's also still a level we are holding right now. And then apart from that, we also broke above some significant EMAs, but in the end found resistance at the 200 EMA. So usually what you can say is that where the 200 EMA is located, if it's below the price, then the price is bullish. If it's above the price, we're bearish. So if you zoom out, we're still bearish right here. Even though the short-term time frame is relatively bullish. And if you look at the EMAs right here, they're relatively flat. And if the EMAs are flat, that's a consolidation. So that's basically every market situation that we can be in. So at this moment, I would say it's just very difficult to analyze Solana. And that's me being honest. I would not trade it right now. And if I have to tell you what I think is most likely, what you can see right now is that there's been a ton of spot selling in the last 4 days. That's not great to see, especially since yesterday afternoon when that bearish momentum started. The spot buying has been pretty big, and sure we have caught some right here as I said, at that level at 145. So that's good. But if Bitcoin continues to be bearish here, and if Solana continues to follow Bitcoin, which is most likely, we will fall down below 145, and I want to prepare you for the worst case scenario. And the worst case scenario is that we will get that bearish breakout. And I would even go as far as saying that, judging on the movements right now, which is a momentum that's being lost and a lot of spot selling, I would say it's most likely we will fall back down towards 140. Maybe that will provide some support, but ultimately, as long as Bitcoin doesn't find support, also down to 130, because that's just the truth, unfortunately. But we are just very dependent on Bitcoin. The correlation right now between Solana and Bitcoin is 96%. All right, so Bitcoin is also not gaining any momentum right now. So that's why I'm telling you, I think it's most likely that we'll just drop down lower. And that is 100% the best scenario to prepare yourself for. Now, if throughout the day you can see the open interest increase for Solana, then the situation changes. And I will let you know. If that happens this afternoon, I will let you know in my market update. But for now, this is what I think is most likely. All right, I don't expect a major crash. Especially since the volume has gone up quite a bit in the last 24 hours. But bullish momentum, there's no sign of that at this moment anymore, unfortunately. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.